6 habits that will make weight loss easy. It is no surprise that we all might have put on some weight since we moved to the new normal of working from home. This pandemic has created a setback in our weight loss goals, and to add to it, less physical activities as we all stay at our homes most of the time has not helped. Most people's idea of losing weight is through hitting the gym, high-intensity interval training and lifting heavy weights, etc. But what if I tell you that's not the only way you can lose weight? Weight loss can be easy by making a few changes in your daily lifestyle habits. This is all about a bit of your conscious effort and mindfulness in your daily life. Number 1. Intermittent fasting. You've probably heard this fancy term called intermittent fasting, on various social media platforms. So, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It doesn't change what you eat, but it changes when you eat. Women may find better results by eating for 10 hours and fasting for 14 hours. But it is better to experiment and see what works best for you. Your body will give you signals. Follow what your body responds favorably to. The main reason that intermittent fasting works for weight loss is that it helps you eat fewer calories. Prolonged very low-calorie diets can cause physiological changes that may cause the body to adapt to the calorie restriction and therefore prevent further weight loss. Diets are easy in the contemplation, difficult in the execution. Intermittent fasting is just the opposite. It's difficult in contemplation but easy in the execution. Intermittent fasting is much easier than dieting and makes your day simpler. Many studies show that this can also improve your metabolic health, protect against diseases, and perhaps helps you live longer. Number 2. Dark chocolate. You may be surprised to see that eating a little chocolate now and then can contribute to your weight loss. While chocolate is more frequently associated with gaining weight than with dropping a few unwanted pounds, the truth is that you can lose weight with chocolate. Dark chocolate may help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce appetite by keeping your cravings under control, and positively affect mental health and mood, all of which may aid weight loss. Moderation is the key. Stick to around 1 ounce, 28 grams, at a time and pick a product that's low in added sugar and contains at least 70% OCO. Remember, losing weight with chocolate is possible, but just don't overdo it. If consumed in excess, it may contribute to weight gain. It is important to stick to high-quality varieties and avoid going overboard. Number 3. Increase your protein intake. One of the biggest things that impede weight loss is hunger. Protein is the most satiating of all the macronutrients. In fact, outside of calorie control, eating more protein is one of the best dietary approaches to losing body fat. Protein has been shown to help you feel full longer, maintain lean body mass, and increase the thermic effect of food slightly. So, how much protein should you eat to lose weight? Nutrition guidelines suggest that a healthy adult should consume 10 to 35% of their calories from protein. Protein has another benefit on weight loss. It can reduce how efficient the body is at storing extra calories as body fat. Studies found that protein is stored as body fat with roughly 66% efficiency, while carbohydrates store with 80% efficiency and fats store at 96% efficiency. Number 4. Distress. When you're stressed, nothing else really matters, not according to your body. Stress makes everything seem harder. Stress produces the hormone cortisol, which is linked to triggering cravings for comfort foods. Besides, it increases insulin levels, which impacts your ability to burn off those comfort foods. Reducing stress serves as a starting point to any weight loss plan. It is encouraged to set the tone for the day with a few minutes of relaxation, like meditation, yoga, or diaphragmatic breathing, all of which can help lower stress levels. Number 5. Fist rule. Portion size as per your fist size. If you want to lose weight healthily and safely without having to return to your old weight after the diet, then this is an ideal diet for you, fist diet. You don't need a bunch of fancy measuring cups or tools to weigh and measure every morsel of food before it enters your tummy. Your hand is all you need. You no longer have to think about calories and you will keep the portions under control. This diet is based on the idea of controlling the portion of food with your own hand. So, how it works? Use your palm for protein portions, fist for veggie portions, cupped hand for carb portions, and your thumb for fat portions. Size matters when it comes to eating right and losing weight. Yes, some people do have larger or smaller hands for their body size. Still, our hand size correlates pretty closely with general body size, including muscle, bone, the whole package. Number 6. Supplements, vitamin D and magnesium. When it comes to weight loss, vitamin D plays a promising role in helping regulate hunger and appetite. The daily recommended intake is 600 IU. Of course, taking vitamin D is not a one-pill cure-all. Make sure you get the recommended amount every day through diet with exercise and eating habits. Getting enough vitamin D from food is difficult, so supplements are often recommended. Your body can get all the vitamin D it needs, courtesy of the sun. You might want to consider taking a vitamin D supplement if you spend most of your days indoors. Research indicates that in obese and overweight people with vitamin D deficiency, vitamin D supplementation aids weight loss and enhances the beneficial effects of a reduced calorie diet.